Hey everybody, hope your day is going well. Welcome to Amateur Decorating Like a Pro. I am Catherine. Today I wanted to pop on and give you guys a huge thanks for your support on this channel, and thank you for pushing me all the way from my blessed house to better homes and gardens. Thank you so much. I am so honored to be featured in Better Homes and Gardens March 2021 edition, and I want to show you, here I am right here, your girl right here on pages 49 and 50. It is featuring that blue plate wall that I did over a year ago and displayed in our dining room downstairs. So the entire DIY is right here. I am so excited. Now, the distribution process was a little slow for getting to this area here in Georgia. I don't know where you live, but I know I'm suddenly just getting phone calls, texts, or emails saying, hey, I just saw you in a magazine. And I am just absolutely floored. It only takes the power of one to make a change in something that you are trying to do. And we call that favor in my world. And guys, I am so thankful for one person seeing this display and then taking it to another level and giving it some recognition. Often when we do something, we think nobody's paying attention or it wasn't good enough, especially on platforms like this one, and we underestimate our qualities. But I'm here to tell you, your gift will make room for you. Your gift will make room for you. Your gift will make room for you. And that's exactly what this one has done. It has pushed me all the way to Better Homes and Gardens, and I am so excited. Now, if you're a little slow getting these kinds of magazines in your areas, I wanted to show you what it looked like. It has pot pies on the front. There is an edition that has pizzas, but this one has pot pies on the front. If you can't find a single edition like this one, you might even have the bundle that comes to your local grocery store or CVS, the pharmacies, wherever, and it will include like Martha Stewart, Real Simple, and Better Homes and Gardens will be in the middle, so it will not be on the top like it is here in my bundle. This one was sent to me directly from Better Homes and Gardens, so it's on the front, but the bundle usually has Real Simple, Better Homes and Gardens, and I think Martha Stewart, so 1, 2, and 3. So that's how that will work. So I hope if you're interested in getting a copy of that and seeing what your girl produced in that article, then by all means do so. I am just flattered to be able to have this opportunity, and thank you for your support over the years. Thank you for pushing me to keep going. As you know, here at Amateur Decorating Like a Pro, we are not just about art. We're about the total home when it comes to maintenance, upkeep, when it comes to decorating. We do the entire package. My push right now is taking me in so many different directions, and I am loving it. But please know, I have not forgotten about you. I don't have the attention span to do multiple things at one time well, so I have to focus on one thing and give it my full attention, and then make sure that it is to satisfactory, the way I want it to be. But I'm still cranking out videos over here. Today we are going to visit art. Right now, I've been working on this piece, and it is a recycled canvas. I think I have painted this canvas 2 times since we moved in this house. So I'm going to try and find some of the original paintings that I've done to this canvas and just put them here on the screen. But yeah, this is the final one. Now, it was already heavily painted when I got it from the start. So now that paint is starting to weigh the canvas down. So this is the very last one. And it's so befitting that I called this painting Breathe. Now let's go ahead and jump right into this DIY, and I'm going to share with you all of the details on how it was created, and you will be inspired to create. The first thing I did was find some boards to support the canvas, but this canvas being so large, and with the fact that I'm going to apply construction compound to the canvas, that could cause the canvas to stretch, sinking down in spots. So the boards really give it support. You can also use books. Now I am applying a construction compound. Sorry, it's not shown on screen, but I will list it in the description box of this video. You can also use spackle, and in some cases you can use grout to give it a little more texture. Now this process is a lot like putting icing on a cake. Apply equal amounts all over your canvas, and when you are done and you see that it starts to get a little tacky, you can make your final design. Next, apply your spray adhesive. Now there is a glue form of this adhesive, but I prefer the spray. I'm using my plastic cover to ensure that it doesn't touch the floor, and I'm being very careful to spray it in small amounts. This gold leaf that I am using is very easy to apply. You lay it directly onto the adhesive and then peel off the tissue paper on the back. I like to take a soft brush and just brush the gold leafing. That way I can ensure that the design from the compound is seen in the gold leafing. Isn't that beautiful? And so I like having popcorn while I'm painting. I love using paper plates when I'm painting. It's a whole lot less messy. And when you're done with the color, you can just get another plate and then go on and mix your next set of colors. Nice and easy. I wanted this painting to appear as if it had been exposed from underneath the gold leafing. So that's why I am making sure that I do these soft little brush strokes around the edge of the painting. Doesn't it look like it was once underneath there? White, yellow, green, blue, gold. All of these colors you're going to be able to see in this painting. Our house has is plenty of drop cloths. So if I want to do a project, whether it's painting a piece of furniture or even a canvas like this one, I grab a drop cloth, get my paints, and we go to work. And that's the fun part about creating things for your home whenever you feel like it. Now here I am using an old paintbrush, a very dry one, to distress the painting, and that's revealing the texture from the compound being applied to the canvas. I think it looks amazing, and it does remind me of a gentle breeze just blowing across the ocean. Yes, and it's time to just breathe. I'd love to thank Designs by Trish for featuring this painting in one of her designs, her e-designs that she displays so beautifully on her Instagram page, T Wells Design
savvy. I just love this look. Look at that pop of color.
I hope you enjoyed this DIY. I loved bringing it to you. I always like to encourage you guys that when you see the canvas clearance section here at these stores, consider the size of the canvas that you're looking for and not necessarily the artwork. Take it home, then get your own craft paints, whether you're shopping Hobby Lobby, Michael's, Walmart, wherever you're shopping to get your paints, and then just simply redo the canvas for just a few dollars. But you'll get that nice frame, that nice canvas, the quality's there, and you won't have to spend any additional money. There'll be more panels and more bold art pieces on the wall in the living room. We gotta keep it interesting down there, but I wanted to share that with you today. Now, if you are shopping for artwork and you can't find the size that you want, maybe there's one painting that you see and you say, oh, I wish this was bigger. Let me show you something right here. These are two paintings from at home. Lovely paintings, not necessarily the style I'm going for. So let's say you love this style, but look at turning it into different directions and just repositioning the hooks on the back. Look here. The painting is side by side, and here it is vertical. So when you think about this, look at all the beautiful views that you get by just arranging the art differently and getting the size that you want. I think seeing this in twos or fours on a wall would be absolutely stunning. And I say the even numbers simply because of the way the design is on the painting. So be smart about that. You might find four of these for like 25 bucks someplace and say, well, if it was bigger, I would have gotten it. Go ahead and get the four. And then bring it home and arrange it the way that you want by simply repositioning the hooks or the D-rings or whatever it is on the back of the painting. Got it? Well, I hope you liked this video and hope you've gotten some ideas on how you can add unique paintings to your home. I want to thank you so much for stopping by this Sunday, and I hope you have a wonderful day. And remember, stay safe out there. And as always, if you're not a subscriber, please consider doing so today. Press the subscribe button and press the bell. Make sure the brackets around the bell. That way you'll be notified when I have uploaded the very next video. Thanks a lot for watching, and as always, stay in prayer and stay creative.